Hello everyone, I am Swapna and you are watching my channel Computer Basics. In this channel, we are learning and discussing about the basics and fundamentals of the computer system for the primary child. So in this video, we will discuss about some storage devices in the computer as a computer parts. Before this, I have already posted about storage, about the computer parts, different computer parts, that input devices, output devices, and some processing device and some other device. So check all this in my channel Computer Basics. Then here in this video, you can see that about some storage device. So let's start. So before going to some examples of storage device, we have to know that what is storage device. So beside this input and output devices, there are also some storage devices that are used inside the or outside the computer. These storage devices store the output of the various computer programs for future use. The output can be in the form of text and pictures. So this is the device, these are the devices where we can store the data and the information for the future use. So we are entering the data, and I am repeating again, we are entering the data as input by using these input devices. After getting the input from the user, the computer processes this data by using the processing device, that is CPU, and show the result as output by the output devices. So here we need to store this data for further use. So for storing this, devices are used that are called storage devices. These are the storehouse of the computer. Here we can store the text or images or musics or videos. We can store any type of data inside this storage devices. These are the space where we can store the data. Either it can be present inside the computer or it can be connected to the computer. So let's see, this is the basic, the primary storage device of the computer. This is called hard disk, HARDDISK, hard disk. This is the main storage device of the computer. This is present inside the system cabinet, and this is the only storage device which one is present inside the computer. So this is the highest, this has the highest storage capacity. It stores all the data of the computer system. It is the only device, only storage device which is present inside the computer. It has the large capacity that can store all the data and information of the computer system. So this is very important and this is very useful. The next one is CDs and DVDs. These are the circular portable storage device that this also can store a large amount of data. We can store any type of information by using the CD drive with this help of CD writer placed inside the CPU box. So we can also store our data in the DVD by using the DVD drive. So by using CD drive we can store data inside the CD, and by using the DVD drive we can store data inside the DVD. So the CD drive or DVD drive that can present inside the CPU box, that is system cabinet. So these two are also storage devices that can use to store large amount of data. So the next one is pen drive. This is the device, you all can use this one for carrying the data easily. So this is a portable storage device. Portable means very easy carrying. It can be carried along easily to any place. To connect it into the computer, we need to insert it into the USB port of the CPU. It can store a large amount of data rather than CD and DVD. Means it can store highest amount of data as compared to the CD and DVD. So it is more easy to carry to any place. This is more portable to easy anywhere. So this is called pen drive, PENDRIVE, pen drive. This is another type of easy carrying portable storage device. So these all are the different storage devices present inside or attached to the computer for storing the data and information for further use. Stay tuned with my channel to get this type of useful information for the beginners of computer. Then if you like this video, then press the like button under the video. Then do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Computer Basics. Thanks all. Thank you for watching.